Yo guys, I have no idea why my voice is so shaky right now. But what I know is that this player and this one are teaming. I don't know about this one. Yeah, like these two right here are both teaming. These two are both teaming. Because when it was just us two, these two, no matter whose killer would go for me, and neither of them would not go for them, each other. And look at these dudes, like look at these dudes. That one and that one. See? First team is that one. And this is teamer number 2. Yes. Yes, you heard me correct. The 2-time and the Jane are their teamers. Oh my god. I wasn't done finishing my explanation. My friends are here. Ooh, make it. Let me do generators, please. Let me do the generators, please. I want to cook them so bad. I want to cook them so bad. Yeah, the round, I made it all the way until 20 seconds left. Then I finally died. Then the team I went for my friend. I'm not gonna help the Jane and the 2-time. Yeah, I'm not gonna help those two. You know what's the funniest thing? These two, even if one was the killer, the other one would not help. No matter what. They'd just sit there and do generators until I die. I don't know what the point is. For some reason my voice is very shaky. Let's get the killer speed, shall we? Let's get the killer speed. Now look. Okay, now look. Only my friend is the guess right there. Yes. Did he place another digital trap? Digital open? Yes, he did. I'm just only doing this so that 2-time can die. I don't want the 2-time here. That make the 2-time die. That was pretty good. We can kill them. So. I get a doodle, bro. Ooh, we should give him the black coat. I'm on mobile, so it's kind of hard. Ooh. Sorry, I was drawing. Let's continue. Make it white. Whoa. Yo, yo, yo! Doodle, just try to doodle. Oh, I'm not trying to team or anything. Oh, yes. Just look at that one. Just draw a doodle on her. Wait. Stand still. Stand still. Wait, stand still. Hey, is that the cookie? Yes. Wait, should I change it? Should I change it from Mike and Zoe? So you can new experiment. Hold on. Loser. Yes, let's. Okay, we just switch back to mic and system sounds. Took that part out. Yeah. What are they doing? Yeah, it's just. Sorry. No. No, Shaletsky, don't die. Shaletsky, no. Look, watch this. See that? She completely ignores the chain. Yo, look. Hawk to her. Yo, look, she completely ignores the chain. The only thing Jane is doing is not stunning, and is purposely listening to stuns. So if I die here, what's the point of that? Your enrage is gonna go away. And just like I thought. See that? The friend absolutely does nothing. Oh yes, we finally got someone that can try. See now, they're all trying to act confused, are they? What do you mean? Now look, the chain has 18, I have 12. She's gonna let the friend other get. Yes, I have to see it out loud. I'm recording, by the way. Oh my god! Wait, what exactly? Oh yes, it's a Nosferatu who targeted me the first round. What do you mean, what exactly? Oh yes, me absolutely being a complete idiot. Let's check my ping. 200, not bad. It kinda is bad, but not bad. And just watch. Just right, if I since Nosferatu sucks so badly, if the timer is about to run out, this teammate will reset. Okay, so now let's watch there. I was like, where did he go? Where did they go? And look. See, look at that. See, look at that. See, look at that. Nah, we cannot stand this, bro. I'm not losing this. My HP is not really full, but I'm gonna do my best. How are you doing, man? Why do you keep... Your friend is good, but you're not. Look at that. They left. And if Yordle's team was watching this, don't think you're special when teaming. You obviously stand no chance against me. You absolute pathetic